Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your peanut butter runny. First, choose a natural peanut butter, as it separates more easily and thins better than highly processed varieties. Scoop your desired amount into a microwave-safe bowl. Begin by adding a very small amount of liquid, like 1 teaspoon of water or oil, to the peanut butter. This initial step is crucial for achieving the right consistency without over-thinning. Now, let's talk about heating. For a quick method, microwave the peanut butter in 15-second intervals, stirring thoroughly after each. This prevents overheating and ensures even melting. Alternatively, a double boiler offers a gentler approach, slowly warming the peanut butter without scorching. Whichever method you choose, continuous stirring is key to breaking down the solids and achieving that smooth, runny texture you're looking for. If your peanut butter isn't quite runny enough, don't worry. Gradually add more liquid, about 1/2 teaspoon at a time, until it reaches your preferred consistency. Water works fine, but a neutral oil like vegetable or canola oil can enhance the flavor and richness. For an exceptionally smooth texture, especially if you started with a very thick peanut butter, a quick blend with an immersion blender can work wonders. Once you've achieved that perfect runny consistency, store any unused portion in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It might thicken slightly when cold, but a quick gentle reheat will bring it back to life. Enjoy your perfectly thinned peanut butter on toast, in smoothies, or drizzled over desserts. And hey, while you're making delicious treats, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.